Hi, my name is Nutan, and today we are going to learn alphabets in German. Yes. It's pronounced as A. A is pronounced as A. So it's more like A or A. Okay. B is B. C is say, or much better, say. Then D is day. E is A. E is A. So basically, E is A and A is A. Okay. Then we have F is F. G is G. H is how. I is E. J is yacht. J is yacht. K is car. L is L. M is M. N is N. O is O. Then P is pay, pay. Q is ku, ku. R is R, R. S, S is S. T is te. U is u. V is V. W is V. Okay. V, V. Then X is X. Y is Y. Okay. Y, Y, lon. Then Z is set. 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 Okay. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is A, E is A, and I is E. So these are the three letters that you need to pay good attention. You need to focus on these, because whenever you pronounce, if you're going to read A as A and not as A, it's not going to sound German. And if you're going to read E as E and not A as not A, then it's again not going to sound German. So make sure that your pronunciations are right. See, most of them are just like how you say it in English, M, N, O, P, Q. So this you would still get. That's not a big problem. But these, A is A, E is A, and I is E. Okay, so you have to remember, A is A, E is A, and I is E. Okay, and getting to the S set now, the beta. So this beta is used this beta looking like alphabet, is used when there is a sound of double S and it is S set. Okay, now going back to the umlauts. Now, umlaut, A has a umlaut, O has a umlaut, and U has a umlaut.
E, U, U. Once again. E, U, U.